What up, guys, and welcome to another right on time. Alright, welcome to another storm video. Wow, that is shit. This is not gonna go well. As soon as you saw back there, there was, I think, lightning hit somewhere, and
burning.
Yeah, it was, the sky was kind of turned blue.
And green and
now it started to rain out. Oh! You saw, I just let one rip. Damn. Oh my tootsie rolls. Oh crap. Let me turn the other side, move aside. Let's see through this side. Kinda dark. No, I'm returning to that side. Move aside. Move aside.
Fuck you.
This side is way better.
I want to see some action.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Dude, did you just saw like fire stay on the air for a moment right there? Cause I did. If you guys want to rewind that, return it, watch it. I hope you see that it left some fire in the air.
I wish a lot of people could be in Chicago.
Nope, not me. Right now, not me.
Dude, this is Poland,
But
not Chicago.
dude, Chicago is like the first to get storms.
Yeah, right.
Or like Montana or Iowa.
Shit.
Or Hawaii.
What the hell was that for?
Then Indiana, which they get harder.
What the hell was that for, Jesus?
Like in Indiana, they actually form some tornadoes more than here. Which is not good. Bless you. Oh crap.
Stuff is getting weird in here.
She's that right there. Hope lightning doesn't hit that without that building right there. Damn!
Oh, shit. I wish it could hit that little house down there. Then the girl would be like,
that one.
Daddy.
Dude, it's raining too much. Is there a flood right there?
Where?
By the little house.
Yeah, I think.
You guys share this, add them to the favorites, add them to the playlist. This is too much.
Ah!
That hurt in my eye.
Dude, does Jesus really got to make this real bad? Oh, why is it in Chicago? Why?
Whatever.
In Poland? Why? Whoa, that looks like... What the hell is that?
Oh my god! Yeah, put your head out of the air, nigga.
Holy shit, you should have seen that from the other side.
Yep, I think we should have 2 cameras right now.
Dude, there's like... Oh, that's a glass. I thought it was something flat with water in it.
What the hell's wrong with you?
I know, right?
What the hell's got into you?
Ass. Ow, ow. for? Why are you doing peace sign? Ah!
Sorry for that, guys. Are you seeing something? 'Cause I don't see shit over here.
I'm not looking at him.
Oh man. Next time, bring your camera and we'll like, you'll be on one side. No way. I did not cut the camera, but I saw it. And I think it hit. Ow. I think like where like by Iowa. Oh my god. You guys saw that, didn't you guys? Big old lightning hit. Damn. I'm gonna keep on doing this. What the hell was that? I'm gonna go like that and like that. Wow, that was little. Damn, God. I think there's gonna be a part 3. Oh, crap. Oh my. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment below. And see you the next part. Peace out.